So the pad's starting to dry up nice. So yesterday I started trenching to run this pipe, this conduit. So I got to there, and then I got to make a turn and go up that way. But I got a message that they're having an electrical inspection today on the generator, so I stopped because I didn't want to mess over there. I don't need inspectors tripping and flipping and dipping, you know what I mean? So I stopped. So today I came and just broke that concrete out. But it's the end of the day on a Friday, so I'm gonna leave this like this because tomorrow it's supposed to be real bad rain, flooding, and all kinds of nonsense. So I'm figuring Monday. It's actually not as bad as I thought. I dug that out pretty simple. It's just a lot of chunky boulders. Let's go up here and look. So the plan is I gotta trench it up. I'm gonna have to make another turn here. And I'm gonna try to go in the middle there. And this white line, I just did this little reference line here because that's where the existing propane line is. So it's right there. So I'm trying to do this where I can have my conduit ran over, all ready to go, and the guy comes out. Well, of course, I'm going to have to disconnect these and move them myself with that excavator. And once that's done, then I can call him to come out. He can fish his line. And I can rip this one out of the ground. We don't need this one anymore. And hopefully it's only a couple of days where she doesn't have the generator. And then I got to tear this donkey down. It's got to go. Even the concrete, it's all got to go.